Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Arc Raiders game crashes at startup, not launching or won't launch problem, freezing issue, not loading or stuck on loading screen, or black screen issue on Xbox consoles. So without wasting your time, here follow the fixes. The first fix includes step 1, 2, 3 and 4. After following all the 4 steps, you can check if your problem is fixed or not. However, you can also check your problem is solved or not after following each step. So here we go. The first step, make sure your Xbox is up to date. So go to Xbox settings, click on system, click on updates and make sure it is up to date. If it is not, then update it. Step 2, clear Arc Raiders cache files. So press Xbox guide button, click on my games and apps and then click on see all. Look for Arc Raiders game and then highlight it. Then press menu and then select manage game and add-ons. Click on save data, reserve space and then click on clear reserve space. Now you will see that profile is deleted automatically. If not, then delete the profile, but make sure you click delete from console when deleting it. Step 3 is to clear persistent storage. Go to Xbox settings, go to devices and connections, Blu-ray, click on persistent storage and then click on clear persistent storage. Now if you don't find this feature in your Xbox console, then skip this step. Step 4 is to clear alternate MAC address. So go to Xbox settings, go to general network settings, navigate to advanced settings, alternate MAC address and then click on clear and then restart your console. After following all these 4 steps, now you can launch Arc Raiders game and check if your problem is solved or not. Fix 2 is to run the Arc Raiders from store instead of running the game from the Xbox home. To do this, type Arc Raiders in the search bar and then click on it and then click on launch game and check. Fix 3, manually select port. Go to Xbox settings, in general tab select network settings, test network connection, advanced settings, select alternate port selection, then click on manual, click on select port and choose a port that starts with 4 or 5 and continue. Restart your console and then check if the problem is solved or not. If not, then select the port one by one and see which one works for you. Next solution is to remove and re-add account. So go to Xbox settings, go to account, remove accounts. Select the account that you want to remove, select the account in which you are having the issue and then select remove. Now re-add your account and after adding your account, launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. Next solution is to change DNS server. Go to your Xbox settings, in the general tab select network settings, advanced settings, go to DNS settings manual. Now enter 8.8.8.8 for primary DNS and enter 8.8.4.4 for secondary DNS. Save it and then launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. If not, then repeat the process and this time in the primary DNS enter 1.1.1.1 and in secondary DNS enter 1.0.0.1. Save it and then launch the game and check. Next solution is to reinstall Arc Raiders. So this is the last solution. If nothing seems to work, then the last solution is to uninstall Arc Raiders from your Xbox, then fresh reinstall it. Now launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. So these are some of the fixes that you can try to solve Arc Raiders game crashes at startup, not launching or won't launch problem, freezing issue, not loading or stuck on loading screen, or black screen issue on Xbox consoles. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.